Is Ripple's XRP headed for a new peak? Current trends and prediction. XRP leads altcoin rally as Ripple scores legal wins and new CBDC partnerships. XRP spikes 10% as several institutions adopt Ripple's services. Guys, we've got so much talked about. XRP Army, stand up and tune in for this video because we about to get into it. Make sure you stick around for the whole video to get all the important information. And without further ado, I'm your host, Amr, and let's just jump right into it. So firstly, we got this tweet coming in from Jack the Rippler. Ripple ad at Times Square. Crypto means business. So here we can see the Ripple ad showing up, popping up in Times Square, guys. And that's absolutely insane. And it may not seem like anything. You might think like, oh, just an ad on a billboard. But one, getting an ad on Times Square is a huge thing. But secondly, this brings so much things to the front because if they're willing to put this kind of money into advertising in this sort of way, really means they're about their business, really means they're really pushing this. And that's great news as Ripple investors, as XRP investors as well. So I hope to see more of these kind of things coming around displayed publicly for people to see who don't know about Ripple to get that idea and get that word in their head so that they can have that preconceived knowledge about it, or even just the name, that when it comes again, inevitably as it comes again into their daily lives, they'll have the curiosity to kind of look into it, that it's not just some random thing like, oh, they've seen it before. Next, we got this tweet coming in from Wall Street Bulls. Just 3 days left for the settlement talks in the Ripple case. Time is ticking down. With Ripple's strong arguments, some anticipate XRP's fair value could soar, with expectations ranging from $15 to $27. The crypto community is keenly observing as the pivotal case approaches its climax. Hashtag XRP, hashtag Ripple, hashtag crypto. Wow, very interesting, guys. I want to know what you guys think about what's going to happen for the settlement. Um, I hope it turns out in favor. I think it will. It's pretty cool. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Shout out to Wall Street Bulls. Next, we got this tweet from Jack the Rippler once again. Who didn't send a single XRP? I didn't. I didn't. I didn't. You know what I mean? Like huge, huge gains. We're seeing, guys. This is what we've been waiting for. This is what we've been waiting for. I think we still got some more potential in the future. But I'm curious as to what you guys think. Do you think we're gonna hit our ATH or no? Do you think we're gonna break way before it even comes? You think a bear is going to come and swipe the bull out of its shoes before we can hit that ATH and get back to that dollar XRP? I'm very curious as to what you guys think. But let's hop into some articles. So XRP spikes 10% as several institutions adopt Ripple services. So let's get into it. Prices rose over 11% before slightly retreating on Monday, with trading volume spiking to $2 billion from Sunday's $1 billion. CoinGecko data shows. At the time of writing, XRP traded at 69 cents and replaced BNB as the fourth largest token by market capitalization. Yo, let's go. Data suggests that the gains were largely spot driven as liquidations on XRP tracked futures breached just over $4.4 million. A large liquidation amount may have suggested that the use of high leverage may have boosted prices. No immediate catalyst for the gains existed on Monday. However, bulls may have reacted to two positive developments for payments firm Ripple from last week, as the company won key approvals to operate and offer services in Georgia and Dubai. Ripple said last Thursday that the Dubai Financial Services Authority (DFSA) approved XRP under its virtual assets regime, allowing licensed firms in the Dubai International Finance Center, a financial sandbox, to incorporate and offer XRP to clients as a part of their crypto services. On the same day, the firm said it would start working with the National Bank of Georgia (NBG) and Digital Lari (GEL) pilot project, which will use the firm's central bank digital cryptocurrency or digital currency (CBDC) platform. Hong Kong and Taiwan governments are already using the CBDC platform. When launched in May, institutions can use the platform to manage and customize the entire life cycle of the CBDC, which includes minting, distribution, redemption, and token burning. Central banks can issue both wholesale and retail CBDCs, which can make offline transactions as well. Very interesting, guys. So let me know what you guys think about that. I'd love to see more of this from the CBDC involving the XRP. Granted, I don't really use it too much. It's not really for me right now, because I'm in the US. But it's cool to see nonetheless. The XRP's true goal is kind of coming to fruition, and we're seeing more countries adopt it as a digital currency. I mean, not fully as a digital currency, but it's kind of looking towards that, and it's really cool. Yeah. So next, we got this article coming in from The Block, and this is written by Brian McLennan. XRP leads altcoin rally as Ripple scores legal wins and new CBDC partnerships. So the new CBDC partnerships is what we just talked about, but I want to talk about the case that's going on. So the price of XRP has increased by over 8% in the past 24 hours to become the top performing digital asset in the cryptocurrency top 10. This token's price has risen by over 22% past week, with trading volume jumping to $2 billion from Sunday's $1 billion from CoinGecko data shows. And that's just what we covered in the last one. So let's get into the case itself. So in mid-October, Ripple celebrated the dismissal of all charges against its executives in an ongoing lawsuit brought by the SEC. And last week, the Central Bank of Georgia announced a partnership with Ripple for the development of the country's central bank digital currency pilot project. There is Ripple's aggressive marketing big CBDC projects in cooperation with some governments, and also a favorable bullish sentiment in the current crypto market. However, note that the price has now overcome the previous high in July. So let's get into it. So he said, however, the XRP's latest price movement was not exceptional given the recent price surge of various altcoins, and added that the uptick in altcoins is a consequence of Bitcoin growth as other coins react with some delay. According to analysts at CTF Capital, Ether's recovery against Bitcoin is a good sign for altcoins in general. This could be a healthy sign of cascade spillover down to other smaller assets as seen in the past bull cycles. Moreover, it represents a broader positive sentiment on the asset class apart from the ETF approval narrative. CTF Capital said in an emailed note, XRP was changing hands for $0.71 at 1:40 p.m. in New York. According to CoinGecko, it has replaced BNB as the fourth largest token by market capitalization. CoinGlass data suggests XRP gains have largely spot driven, as total liquidations in the past 24 hours breached over just $6.5 million. That's also a signal of a strong retail investors' engagement in the current rally. Very, very interesting, guys. I really hope we can see this bull run keep going. But yeah, it's important to make note about these types of bull runs that we're seeing, that this is mainly caused by a lot of factors coming in from Bitcoin and just the cryptocurrency in general. But that spillover effect will really help us out in terms of being an altcoin. Now, there's a lot of stuff that's going on within the XRP world in itself with the CBDC cooperation, and also with the legal cases going on. So hopefully, if Bitcoin does end up running into a little bit of a halt, we can see either continuous gains in XRP or at least a holding of that. But that's just what I'm hoping for. So we'll see how it actually turns out. Next, we got this final article coming in from Crypto.news. Is Ripple's XRP headed for a new peak? Current trends and predictions. So let's get into it. So they kind of talk about the price, but let's get into a little bit in this. So the broader cryptocurrencies market recovery has been a significant factor in XRP's price increase. When market leaders like Bitcoin surged to higher price points amid the anticipation of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval, it created a ripple effect. No pun intended, boosting the entire market. Altcoins, including XRP, often followed Bitcoin's lead due to their interconnectedness within the crypto ecosystem. This collective momentum can help altcoins break through important resistance levels, which are price points at which a rising asset tends to meet increased selling activity. For XRP, surprising the 0.5 to 0.55 level was a crucial resistance to overcome. Once breached, it likely triggered further buying as it indicated strong bullish sentiment, encouraging investors to anticipate further gains. According to CoinMarketCap, XRP's trading volume has increased more than 92% in previous 24 hours, suggesting heightened trading momentum. The SEC vs. Ripple case is a pivotal factor in XRP's price movements. A court order dated October 24th set a deadline for both parties to propose a briefing schedule on remedies by November 9th. This move towards a resolution, whether through settlement or final court decision, is being closely monitored by investors. So here we can see the tweet coming in from James K. Fillon. XRP community hashtag SECGov versus Ripple XRP by November 9th, 2023. The parties shall jointly propose a briefing with regard to remedies. If the parties cannot agree on a schedule, Judge Torres will set the schedule. So very interesting. So Ripples appears to be in a strong position, particularly due to the implications of Hinman documents, which the SEC has repeatedly attempted to withhold. These documents pertain to a speech by former SEC Director William Hinman, where he stated that Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities, a viewpoint that could significantly influence the outcome of the case. There's also speculation that the SEC may seek to expedite the case appeal the ruling on programmatic sales. Programmatic sales refer to the scheduled sales of XRP by Ripple on cryptocurrency exchanges. The outcome of the case is expected to have a profound impact on investor sentiment and XRP's price action. Currently, market sentiment appears to lean in Ripple's favor. Wow. Fantastic news, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. But that's all we have for today's video. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys learned something new today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget about that. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys are thinking about today's video. If there's any information that stuck out to you, if you have any opinions or disagree with any opinions I said, likewise, or just to make it known, I do not offer any financial advice. I'm just kind of talking. But regardless, hope you guys have a good one. Until the next video, good luck trading and have a good day. See you guys.